Hi children, before classes we are discussing about the subtraction, addition and multiplication and division. Four operation symbols, what are there? Those four operation symbols, about that we discuss. Then today we are discussing about the factors and multiples. What is the meaning of factors and what is the meaning of multiples? Okay, then see, this is the chapter number 3, factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Okay, this is in that two are there. First is the mass factors and multiples. First we are discussing about the factors. See children, when two or more numbers, if we will multiply, we will get the one answer. That answer we will say is a product of those numbers. For example, see 2 into 3 into 6. Okay, 2 into 3 into 6. First 2 3 is 6. We got here 2 3 is 6. 6 6 is 36. See here, this 36 is a product of these three numbers. Which ones? 2 and 3 and 6. 36 is a product of 2 comma 3 comma 6. We will say in this number. Whatever we took the example, this one we will say. If the number which are multiplied together, the numbers are multiplied together, we will call is a factors. See children, here now 2 into 3 into 6 is equal to 36 we got. This 36 is, we will say, is product. What those are multiplied in these numbers? Which one is here multiplied? 2, 3, 6. These 2 comma 3 comma 6 we will say factors of 36. For only what I took the example, for this only I am explaining. Here 2 into 3 into 6 we got here 36. 36 is a product, we will say. But in this 2 comma 3 comma 6 we will say that is a factors of 36. Okay, or we will say factors of the product. Okay, this one. By the same way, for example, one more thing. Here 7 into 8. Here 7 8 is 56 we got. See, in this 56 is a product of 7 and 8. Okay, see in that 7 and 8 are multiplied, get the 56 we got. In this 7 8 is 56. 56 we will say that is a product of product. Then in this number 7 and 8 we will say these two are factors of 56. How? See, factors means if the number should be, we are dividing the number, the remainder should be compulsory 0. Whenever we are dividing the number to the another number, the compulsory, the remainder should be 0. Then that time only we will say the number is a factor to the other number. See, for example, 56 is divided by 7. How much time we will go? Do division. Here 56. 7 8 is 56. Remainder 0 it will be remainder. How much we got answer here? 8. Then same process. 56 is divided by 8. How much will be? 56 means 8. 8 7 is 56. Here 0. How much we got answer? Here coefficient is 7. What we will say here? This one 8 and 7 is whenever we are dividing the 56, then we got the remainder is 0. That time we will say now it will be 7 and 8 are the factors of 56. Factors of 56 we will see. See here few more examples I will explain. Finding the factors of numbers. In that how to finding the factors, some few more examples I will explain. See once first 16. Now we have to write the finding the all the factors of 16. See using multiplication method. Using multiplication method. Multiplication method and one more thing what I told just now, division method. Division method. One is multiplication method, one is division method. See, multiplication method means we know the compulsory we have to do the should be compulsory is equal to 16 we will say it will be 16 compulsory. Okay, see which table we will go. 1 6 is 16, 1 16 is 16, 2 8 is 16. Okay, here 4 4 is 16. Okay, 4 4 is 6. See here, in this here answer it will be is a same. Answer is a same. Or in this we got the remaining numbers. Which one we got? 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma. These both are same means we have to take only one time. Here 8 comma 16. 16 one and itself compulsory. Every number is having compulsory itself factor. See in this we will say 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These are factors of 16. We will say factors of 16. See this way we have to see 1 16 is 16, 16 1 is 16. Both are equal only. 2 8 is 16, 8 2 is 16. Both are same only. 4 4 is 16. In this equal 16 you can leave it one. You can leave 16. The remaining what are other numbers are there here 1, 16, 2, 8, 4. These all are factors of the given number. What he gave the given number? 16. 16 is, these are all factors of 16. This is the we will say directly fact. Multiplication method. So by the same way division method. See common. See children, common we have to write. See 16 divided by 2. See 16 we can't divided by 3 because of 16 is a even number. It will be won't go. For the 3 tables, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18 only. The next 16 2, 16 8 and 16 4. See children, 16 divided by 16. Whenever we are dividing the number by 1, we will get the coefficient itself we will come. In that division properties I explained. By the same way 16 by 1 is equal to 16. See here 16. How many times will go? 2 table. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16. How many times will go? It will be 8 10. If you are getting problem, if you are getting doubt means go directly division. See 16. 2 table, 2 8 is 16, the remainder is 0, this 8 you have right. Okay, the next one. See 16, 16, 8 table how many times will go? 8, 8 2 is 16, the denominator is 0, then you can write 2. Then 4 4 is 16. Here, common you can leave. 16 is a common. Remaining what are those? Right, 1, 2, here 4 is there. 8 is there, 16 is there. 2 times we got, don't repeat it, only one time you can write. Here 1, 2, 4, 8 and 6. Here we got 1, 2, 4, 8 and 6. These we will say it will be factors of 16. factors of 16. Every number we will say like that. For any number also, two methods we will write. This one we will say it will be factors of these numbers. One more example I will explain. Find all the factors of 48. Find all the factors of 48. How to find the 48 factors? Which table will go? I will explain. See the lens. Now, example number 2. Find the factors of 48. See, one table we have read directly. 1 into 48, it will be 48. Next two table. Two table how many times will go? 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 2 24 ja 48. 2 24 ja 48. Next three table will go as evens. Three table. How many times? 3 1 ja 3 3. 3 16 ja 48. Okay. Next four table will go. 4 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 4, 12 4 ja 48. Next one, 5 table we count. 6 table. 6 8 ja 48. 7 table count go. 7 7 ja 49. 8 table. 8 5 8 6 ja 48. Same way over. 8 8 ja 64 count. 9 table. 9 5 ja 40. 9 6 ja 54. 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54. Gone right. Okay, here which one we have to take common? 48 common, leave it. Because of we are finding the 48 factors. All these you can leave it. Now remaining what are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. These are factors of 48. What we will say, these are all factors of 48. Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. These all are, we will say, is factors of 48. Okay children, like this way we have to all finding factors. This process we will say it will be is a finding the factors of the given numbers. If 48, you can take any number, same method you can say. If this method you are getting confused means go to division method. That also I will say. Here multiplication place you can write division. For this side will come, you can do. Then whatever number we got, the remainder is 0. That coefficient you have to take the factors of the given number. If whenever we are division method we are using, if you are not getting remainder is 0, not getting 0, then you can, that is a not factor of that number. That process you can do. Okay children, thank you.